How to make voiceovers better in Premiere Pro. We have an exciting tutorial for all of you out there. Have you ever wondered how to make your voice recording sound amazing in Premiere Pro? Well, you are in the right place. First, you need to import your footage. It's a simple and logical step. For example, I have a voice recording for this video. How to make your voice much better. You can use these techniques with any of your recordings. Next, let's find the essential sound panel. If you can see it, go to the window menu and make sure you have essential sound checked. Now, select the dialog option. You will see a panel with all the audio settings. You can easily choose a preset that suits your needs. There are many options available and this sounds great. For example, the Intercom preset works well. How to make your voice much better. However, for the best sound for your voiceover, we recommend using the podcast voice preset. Now, adjust the amount to 2.5, just like I'm doing. How to make your voice much better. How to make your voice much better. Now that you have improved your voiceover, let's make it even better by adding some bass. Go to the effects panel and search for bass. Apply it to your voice track. Then go to the effects controls and set the bass to 2. How to make your voice much better. How to make your voice much better. There you have it. You have now significantly enhanced your voiceover using Premiere Pro. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.